Angles in polygon. Polygon. A polygon is a two-dimensional geometric shape that is made up of straight lines and angles. Specifically, it is a closed shape with three or more sides, where each side intersects with exactly two other sides at their endpoints, and the line segments that make up these sides do not cross each other. Polygons can have different number of sides, which gives them different names. For example, a polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle, a polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral, and a polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. There are also many other names for polygons with different numbers of sides, such as hexagon with 6 sides, heptagon with 7 sides, octagon with 8 sides, and so on. Sums of angles in polygons. The sum of angles in a polygon is the total measure of all the angles inside the polygon. The sum of angles in a polygon depends on the number of sides the polygon has. To find the sum of angles in a polygon with n sides, we can use the formula sum of angles equals n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. For example, consider a triangle which is a polygon with 3 sides. Using the formula, we get sum of angles equals 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180 equals 180 degrees. So in a triangle, we know that sum of the angles is 180 degree. So the sum of angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Similarly, for a quadrilateral, which is a polygon with 4 sides, we have sum of angles equals 4 minus 2 into 180 equals 2 into 180 equals 360 degrees. So the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. This formula works for any polygon regardless of the number of sides. Interior and exterior angles of a polygon. An interior angle of a polygon is an angle formed by two adjacent sides inside the polygon. An exterior angle of a polygon is an angle formed by one side of the polygon and the extension of an adjacent side outside the polygon, as this. A, B, C, D, E, F are interior angles, and S, T, U and P, Q, R, S, T, U are exterior angles. The sum of an interior angle and its adjacent exterior angle is always 180 degrees. This is known as the exterior angle theorem. The measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is given by interior angle equals n minus 2 over n multiplied by 180 degrees. The measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is given by exterior angle equals 360 over n. These formulas work for regular polygons, where all sides and angles are equal. For irregular polygons, the measure of the interior and exterior angles can vary depending on the shape of the polygon. Examination tips. Before you begin a question, make sure you know if you are dealing with a regular or irregular polygon. Test yourself. Question number 1 is, the interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is 150 degrees. Calculate the value of n. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 2. A regular polygon has 72 sides. Find the size of an interior angle. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 3. The angles of a quadrilateral are x degree, x plus 5 degree, 2x minus 25 degree and x plus 10 degree. Find the value of x. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 4. The diagram shows a triangle and a quadrilateral. All angles are in degrees. For the triangle, show that 3a plus 5b equals 170 degrees. It's a 1-mark question. For the quadrilateral, show that 9a plus 7b equals 310. It's a 1-mark question. The other part of question number 4 is solve the simultaneous equations and show all your working. It's a 3-mark question. Find the size of the smallest angle in the triangle. It's a 1-mark question. Question number 5. PQRST is a regular pentagon. R, U and T are points on a circle. Center is O. QR and PT are tangents to the circle. RSU is a straight line. Prove that ST equals UT. Diagram is given. And it's a 5-mark question.